everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and we have a 2015 Ford F-350 in the shop with a 6.2 liter, and I'm going to show you where the oil dipstick is and the oil fill. It's on the passenger side of the engine, and the oil fill is right here, and it's clearly marked with the oil can, and it tells you the grade of the oil, 5W20. I strongly recommend checking your manual. They're going to say synthetic blend or full synthetic, so I would go with full synthetic. And here is the oil dipstick. This is the transmission one, and this is the oil. It's right here. Yellow connector, plastic end. It does not say engine anywhere on it, but it's the smaller of the two yellow dipsticks. Take a rag. We're going to wipe it as we pull it out. How's that 3D? So now we know it's clear, clean, there's no oil on it, and we can check the reading and what it looks like. So you've got the two hole markings right here and here. This is full and that is low. 1 quart means that all those X marks, you want the oil in those X marks. If it's at the bottom of it, add 1 quart. Only time really to check your oil, the best time is first thing in the morning when the engine has not ran for several hours, and that way it drains all back into the pan and you're going to get the true reading. Let's see where this one's at. Nope, she's right there, a little bit of quarter, so it's halfway. And that's fine because I just drove this thing in, so I'm not going to add oil to it.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.